All right, guys, how you doing? My name is Devin, the DIY lawn coach. So I am live on location today in a client's yard who I just started coaching roughly 2 months ago, and man, what a difference. His lawn's really coming along, it's really thickening up, really looks great, nice and green. I'm gonna throw up some images of kind of where we started and to show you guys where we're at today. Super proud of how this is turning out. We still got a little bit of ways to go, but hey, you know, it's looking great. So if you're interested in me coaching you, check out my website for details, thediylawncoach.com. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and then check me out obviously on YouTube. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos. So yeah, man, what a nice looking lawn. It really has come a long way. So you guys have a great day, and I can't wait to see you in the lawn.